Good morning, my dear students. How are you all today? I hope you all are good and you all are taking care of yourself and you all are happy and healthy. So, children, today we will be starting with a new golden word, new shiny golden word. But before that, we will do our prayer. Come on, children, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. So, children, our new golden word is excuse me. Okay, what is the new golden word? Excuse me. Children, we have completed four golden words. How many? Four golden words. One is thank you, then welcome, then sorry and please. So ये चारों golden word हो गए. Now we will be starting with the new and the last golden word, that is excuse me. Excuse me. One last golden word for today is excuse me. Okay, now children, this is the very nice golden word. Now you will understand why we say this golden word, when we say this golden word, and how to use this golden word. I will show you. Children, the very first thing, when you interrupt someone, say excuse me. Okay, when someone is doing some work, पता है जब आपको कोई कोई कुछ काम कर रहा होता है. For example, if I am in the class with you all and मैं already किसी और से बात कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, I am speaking to someone else, but you want to say something. For example, if you want to drink water, so how will you say without interrupting me? You will say excuse me ma'am. First you're going to wait. आप पूछोगे excuse me ma'am, then I will say yes. After that you will say can I drink water. This is the way you're going to interrupt. अगर आपको किसी से कुछ काम है, okay, and that person is already busy somewhere else, you use the word excuse me. And why we use excuse me? To get someone's attention. जब आपको किसी का attention चाहिए, जब आपका किसी का ध्यान आप पर आए, इसीलिए आप क्या बोलते हैं? Excuse me. What you say? Excuse me. Listen to me. मतलब listen to me. Excuse me. Okay? Listen. I want to say this. ऐसे. Okay, this is the way you're going to use this golden word. Okay, you're going to use it with everyone. अगर कोई already busy है, अगर आपसे कोई already बात कर रहा है, तब आपको excuse me नहीं बोलना है. लेकिन वो person कहीं और busy है, so you say excuse me. Okay, this is also very important thing. When you sneeze, how you sneeze? जब आपको छींक आती है, जब आपको सर्दी होगी तो आप छींकते हो, हाँ, अच्छू. So how you sneeze? You cover your hands with the you cover your mouth with a handkerchief. If you don't have handkerchief, cover it with your hand and you sneeze and you say excuse me. What you say? You say excuse me. Okay. When because when you are in between people, जब आप already लोगों के साथ बैठे हो और आप sneeze करते हो तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Excuse me. What you say? You say excuse me. Excuse me is used before we talk to someone. We say excuse me. जब आपको किसी से बात करनी हो उससे पहले आप क्या बोलोगे? Excuse me. जैसे मैंने आपको क्या बताया कि already अगर कोई कहीं busy है तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Excuse me. या if your mama is doing something very important work, so how you're going to disturb? ऐसे जा जाके नहीं बोलना है mama mama mama. You are going to first use this golden word, excuse me mama, or excuse me papa, can you do this for me? So this is the way you use the golden word. And आपको पता है this is a magic golden word जो आपकी कोई बात नहीं भी सुननी होती है तभी भी सुन लेते हैं. Right, when you use this golden word ना, अगर किसी को नहीं भी सुनना होता ना, but you use that golden word, that person is like wow, this child is very nice, they are using golden word, I have to listen, मुझे तो सुनना ही चाहिए, इसीलिए फिर वो सुनते हैं. So you will use this golden word. See, this is the way one sentence that I have framed. Excuse me, ma'am, I have done my work. This is the way you're going to use the golden word. अगर आपका work complete हो जाता है in session, so how you're going to say? आप बीच बीच में ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि ma'am, 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 listen, 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 ma'am, ma'am. No, you're going to use this beautiful golden word, right? We will use this golden word. फिर तो ma'am को सुनना ही पड़ेगा, right? If you use this beautiful golden word, then what I will say? If what other teachers will say, yes. Tell me, yes, what happened? Right? We will respond because this is the magic word. We will listen to you. So you have to keep it a habit to use all the golden words. Okay, and today we have done with all 5 golden words, right? So we will use all the golden words, right? So we will use the golden word excuse me, right children? So this is the way you're going to use all the golden words. I want you all to promise me that you're going to use all the 5 golden words. Again I will repeat. Thank you, welcome, sorry, please, excuse me. These are the 5 golden words that you have to remember and use it. Start using these golden words. This will help you a lot. This will help you to get everything that I said. This is golden magic word. And अगर आप ये अच्छे से समझ गए कब कहाँ use करना है, then it will be so nice for you, right? So you promise me that you're going to use these golden words and you're going to use it very nicely. Okay children, so with this we have completed with our whole nice chapter of golden words. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed and loved learning golden words and you all are going to use it very often. हर बार use करोगे ये golden words. Okay, and yes, you all are my smart children. So have a good day. Take care. Bye all of you.